All right, so there's a few similar riffs to this, to be honest. Does remind me a bit of a few riffs from that same time. You want it, she's got it. Molly's change is gonna change your mind. Does really remind me of that. There's another one as well, I guess. The classic, everything kind of goes back to You Really Got Me, doesn't it? If you were to learn this as root notes, you got 2, 4, 5, 4, 2. Another riff that kind of uses those notes that comes to mind now is Arctic Monkeys. But this one, once you've got it, if you need to learn a power chord riff, learn the root notes first, play it with one finger. And then put a power chord with it. And with this B5 power chord or B minor chord, you have two embellishments you can do. You can take off your first finger to the open string, or lift off the fingers to the index finger. And this is how you can start to learn songs by ear a lot easier. Because once you know what a power chord sounds like, and someone does this, you can go, ooh, I know what he's doing there. He's going to the open string, either there, because it's just a familiar guitar move, and you can spot it by ear, because you can hear power chord. You know, the only other way to play that is, but it sounds different. And if you ever hear this, that one, oh God, so many 2000 songs are coming to my mind now. Start to shatter. You're the only one who can get me off my feet, and I can't even dance. That's doing all this same. Cool thing that Jenny Don't Be Hasty does is in the chorus it key changes from F sharp minor to A. So all of this. This is also quite similar to Arctic Monkeys' Are You Mine? F sharp minor, scale, or F sharp minor pentatonic. Changing to A in the chorus gives it a lift, without strictly changing key, because if you know your sharps and flats, which is actually the reason songs have a certain key, it's the amount of sharps and flats that are in that key. F sharp and A major have the same sharps and flats. They have three sharps. Oh, Jenny, don't be hasty. Oh, then stop it, baby. Oh, it kills me. So that was just a little. Oh, that's the chorus before the solo, and then the solo. 2, 3, 4. tune, grade 4 song, which is really cool to be aware of. So let's have a look at some more graded song options for you guys. And if you have a song that you're working on at the moment and you want to know what grade I would think it's at, let me know in the comments below and we'll do it. Let me know in the live chat.